What is up, guys? So listen, I wanted to take a minute to introduce a video that we were working on, and I think it's even more appropriate now with all the stuff that's going on with the coronavirus and the quarantining and all that other stuff, to share a video that I think is one of those really cool feel-good things. I'm super proud to be associated with Bonafide, and to be honest with you, this incident right here made me even more proud to be associated with the Bonafide and Native Watercraft merger under the Big Adventures umbrella, because so Vince Fuqua is Dylan Fuqua's dad, and Vince has gotten this kid all over the country, made some major sacrifices, you know, and I'm not a big like, you know, you get a gold star for doing what you're supposed to do as a dad, and we've kind of gotten to the point where we're like over-recognize people for things that they do that, you know, that they're supposed to do, you know. But here's the thing, this guy has done way more, has gone above and beyond. He has raised a very respectable young man, phenomenal fisherman, and an even better little dude in Dylan Fuqua. And so what happened is Vince has got some back issues. Not gonna get into a whole lot of that, but he was using a kayak that was kicking his butt, and Dylan had a pedal drive and he had to paddle. So I had this Native Slayer Propel that I was using for camera guys, and that I was using to take out some of the Native Watercraft team guys in filming some of my content because of the merger of Bonafide Kayaks into the Big Adventures family. And I contacted the marketing team there and I said, hey, listen guys, I know that this is probably a stretch, but, and you know, feel free to tell me no, but Dylan Fuqua is out there blowing up the Native brand for you guys. His dad, Vince, is paddling an older kayak. He's, you know, it's uncomfortable, it's kicking his butt. He has to paddle everywhere and Dylan's pedaling everywhere. What would it take for us to get him into the boat? And, you know, KBF would be willing to help out. You know, what can we do to get it done? So we worked it out. They helped us. We kind of met in the middle on it. And we put Dylan's dad, Vince Fuqua, in a Slayer Propel Max. I'm not exactly sure how that dynamic's going to work out in the middle, because I think from watching the video, it's more like Dylan's boat. But the fact of the matter is they now have two boats that they can pedal, that complement each other, that's going to help them get out there and fish more effectively. I'm a big fan of the things that Vince has done to get his son out there. So without any further ado, let's take a look at Dylan and Vince Fuqua getting their Slayer Propel Max. Big shout out to the folks at Native Watercraft for making this happen, and I think it's awesome. So y'all check it out. Fish on! I'm gonna go out there and see if I can't make it happen.
All right, guys, I'm Scott Butcher here with Kayak Bass Fishing. We're down here right now at the Tin House. You guys aren't gonna see this video till a little bit later, but I wanted to talk to you about KBF and about Native Kayak series of lines. You guys all know Dylan, the kid Fuqua. Dylan, step in here real quick, man. What's up, buddy?
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Doing good? Doing good? You fish today?
I fished today.
Fish today? You fish all the time, man. You're living this life right?
Yep, I love it. It's a dream.
I got you. Now, a big part and a big reason for your success is not just your native, right? But it's also your dad.
Yep.
Vince, come here, big man. So tell me a little bit about what you got right here in this kid.
What I got right there in him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's phenomenal. I mean, it just, if you're talking about fishermen, you know, he's kind of a pain in the butt too, though.
I got you. That father-son dynamic really kind of turns into play, right?
Right.
Well, you guys all know Fluke Master. Fluke, come in here, big man. Talk to me a little bit. Obviously, you're a father of four.
Uh-huh.
You got four amazing kids. Tell me a little bit about what you see in this relationship right here.
I mean, he's still a teenager. He's got that disease we call 15, but it's one of those normal things. But man, the kid has got, I don't know, just a natural talent you don't see very often, and then the love of it that he has is pretty cool. So having a supportive dad is really important, and he may not realize this yet, but when he gets about 25 years old, he'll realize that dad knows everything. So we'll see what happens.
You think that's the case?
10 years, hurry up.
As a 15-year-old right now, but do you think dad knows everything?
Not everything.
But I mean, you see the sacrifices that your dad's made.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, you guys grind. You guys put in the time. You guys put in the work. You guys are supporting KBF. I mean, at the core.
Oh yeah.
A big part of your success has been your native, right?
Yeah, a big part of it. I
Well,
love it.
what do you know about the new native Slayer Max? Have you seen one of these yet?
I have not. It's the first one I've seen.
Well, we want to put you in it and we want to talk about it a little bit. What's your initial thoughts on how this boat's different than your boat?
I like the looks of the back, how big and square it is, makes it really stable.
I got you. What do you think about this, Dad? I mean, you guys have been around natives. The reason we're pulling you guys in is obviously Gene and I are bona fide guys. We don't know a whole bunch about the natives, so I wanted to get y'all's opinions on this.
It's definitely narrower than his boat now, so it's probably going to be a little bit quicker. It's deeper, that's for sure. This is a sweet boat.
Have a seat right there, Dylan. Tell me how that feels on that seat. How's that seat different than your seat?
It sits a lot higher than mine, it feels like. But it's got the high-low set, and I got mine in the high one. It feels like it sits higher. The sides are a lot deeper as well.
Is it something you think you can fish out of?
Oh yeah, I can fish out of this.
Well, let me tell you this. On behalf of Kayak Bass Fishing and Native Kayaks, load this on your trailer, my brother.
Sweet. That's awesome. That's
For me, right?
It's for y'all. You find it out.
Dad gets the hand-me-down.
yeah.
It's
get
for
the
you
hand
guys.
down.
Y'all find it out,
When
gentlemen.
we were just talking, I was like, man, I'm gonna have to get in a native soon, like soon.
Well, congratulations.
That's
Thank you for what you're doing with supporting this young man right here and these dreams that he's doing. You know that obviously I'm a big advocate for tackling your dreams.
Yeah.
You guys are doing that. Dylan, come here, kid. Come give me a hug,
That's
bro.
awesome.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations. You guys tell Kayak Bass Fishing and Native Kayaks, thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Thank Kayak Bass Fishing. Thanks Native. It's awesome. I love it.
Yeah, definitely,
awesome.
definitely, almost a tearjerker there.
That's awesome.
Gene, are you tearing up?
No,
Are you tearing up?
No, I just water my
I
eyes.
tell you what, guys. Once again, guys, I'm Scott Butcher, reminding all you guys at home to tackle your dreams. Big shout out to these guys. Thank you, Kayak Bass Fishing. Thank you, Native Kayaks. Not many people got that new Slater Max. You're one of the first, bro. Mullet and all.
That's the trick. It's the mullet.
It's the mullet.
It's the mullet.
All right, guys, so listen, there you have it. I hope you enjoy, and I think that this type of video is the type of thing that we all need right now. I'm super proud of being affiliated and associated with companies like Native Watercraft and Bonafide, Big Adventures brand, and just being able to share things like that, right? Because it was the right thing to do. I was actually home with Christy because I had to fly home because of her surgery. Wasn't able to be there, but Scott and Gene handled the pass off. I think these guys were blown away. I've gotten a number of thank yous from Dylan and from Vince, and hope you guys like it. Do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about the video, and Vince, you're the man, bro. Appreciate everything that you do. Appreciate the example that you set. And Dylan, you are a lucky young man to have a dad like that.
Got her.
Heck yeah, nice one, buddy.
Anyway, love y'all. Do everything you can to take care of the people close to you. This is gonna be a tough time for everybody. And I think sharing inspirational stories and being able to uplift each other is gonna be how we get through it. We're all in this together. Love y'all. See you in the next video.